What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to today's video. It is now time for my very first oil change with the E92 M3. The time has come. I've got everything in the trunk ready for it. I will post a link down below. I bought it all as one kit, I think from ECS Tuning. $110, liquid moly, 9 liters of that. I think that I got 2 drain plug washers. I've also got the 2 O-rings to replace on the oil filter, as well as a whole new filter element. But today is a beautiful, fantastic Sunday. Partly cloudy, love it. I hate the sun, hate it. Cloudy days, Jimmy days. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I've already contacted my buddy and told him, hey man, I gotta come over there. I gotta borrow your jacks and stuff like that. We're gonna go over there. Before I head over to his house, I think I gotta go pick up some hex sockets and a 36mm socket as well. Because those are the 2 things that we're probably gonna need. With that being said, let's get started. This is my buddy Steven, guys. I've been telling you guys about right here in the 9-second Evo, fully built.
Nah, small bolt on, small bolt on.
Small bolt on.
Not that much. Not that much going on there.
Bear with me today, guys, because this, like I said earlier, first oil change. Let's hope Jimmy don't fuck this up. All right, guys. Betsy, Big Bertha is in the air now. What's the capacity on this bad boy? 15 liters, bro. We're good.
Yeah,
I got 9 liters. It is actually the first time I've ever had the BMW on jack stands. And I'm getting down here to inspect. We got loose things down here. We got a bolt right here that's not even tightened. Like, bro, this thing right here is loose. Like, oh my God, I think it's missing a whole entire, the lower splash guard. The lower forward splash guard. It's all right, man. Weight reduction, boys. Oh, the lips all scratched up too. Man, oh man, I'm finding new things about this car every day. But we got the oil drain plugs right here, boys. One right here, another one back here, forward and aft. We'll go ahead and break those loose. Forward one first, drain all that out, and then we're gonna get the one back there. Don't look too bad.
Nah, I don't.
Don't look too bad, man.
It's a lot better than my shit.
Why? Is yours scraped up?
I don't even have none. I have none of this. I have none of this. I just have the wheel well fenders.
Yeah, splash guards and the fender well.
And then the skid plate, everything underneath it. Bye.
Weight reduction, baby.
Bye.
Race car, bro.
Race car life.
All right, you guys, this is the tools needed to do the oil change. You need your hex socket set. You also need this bad boy right here, a 36mm for the oil filter housing, and some ratchets. Provided by the Garcia Garage, my mans.
So, man.
We're sponsored by Miller Lite.
Today, yeah.
Shout out to Miller Lite for the sponsorship. Texas 2K 2021, we're coming for you.
Coming this thing right
here, man. 9 seconds. 7s.
7s.
Don't sell yourself short, buddy. 7s, bro.
7s. I need to get to work, you know. I need a car to get to work. So.
Just smells like vodka. Damn, these things look like they're fucking stripped. Think so?
Yeah. Put it on, start tightening it, just start messing with it, and it'll come out.
Look at that, guys. It's fucking stuck.
Nah, it's actually
the forward drain plug right there, boys. We got her off. We're gonna let that drain. Oh, it's already done draining.
Yeah, no,
BMW, bro, it don't use oil. This shit's like liquid plasma, bro.
Oh, it's kind of, I don't know, bro. That shit.
Woo, that shit.
Are you riding without oil? Is that what it is?
Yeah, bro, this car don't need oil. This thing runs on fucking just friction.
Shit, whatever, dude.
No, it's the aft drain that's a lot. The forward's not a lot, yeah.
But you eat that?
All right, guys. This is the bag of goodies right here, boys. New oil filter. New oil. Now, does this come with the O-rings?
That's for the top part only.
Right there, boys. What we need. We've got the big O-ring. We got the small O-ring and the 2 drain plug crush washers. Oil filter. Liquid moly. Boys. Only the best. Just kidding, man. I had to pull a loan out to do this. Alright guys, this is the aft drain plug right here. FCP Euro. Hooked it up. Make sure you change those washers out, boys. Oh, I don't want to ruin that that O-ring. I just want the washer. Bam! Brand new washer. Looks like it goes in this way. Bam! Now for the reinstall after the oil is fully drained. We had a little spill right here, guys. OSHA's gonna be on its way. We're getting fired.
All right guys, everything that needed to be done down below is already done. I got both the drain plugs torqued back in.
Oh, you know what to mention, you guys, man? I've started to do this little resale thing, so stay tuned for that because I got a couple pickups I wanted to do a review on for you guys. I know it's not car related, I do apologize, but Steven's got these limited sneakers. Ooh, Illuminati.
These are the 2018
Kyrie 5s. What are these, bro?
Dead stock. I'm not gonna touch it because
what are those?
Dead stock.
Dead stock, dude. Fresh in the box. Holler at my man. How much you selling them for, bro?
They're storage right now.
Oh, they're in storage, pending.
Yeah. Pending, yeah.
Pending. I got you, brother.
So.
They're fire. Fire. All right, guys. Now I'm gonna break the oil filter housing, get those two O-rings onto the housing, and get the new filter installed, torqued back in, and then we fill. Right here, guys, I've got a over-exaggerated extension on top of the 36mm socket. Breaking that bad boy loose. Oh fuck! Trying to do it one hand with the camera. Steven, come take over, brother. Take over the camera, Holmes. Oh, Mahoy Manoy.
What the hell?
Ah, give me the gloves. I'm not a man, dude. I'm a boy. I need gloves. These are like the great value.
Exactly.
These are the leftover gloves from the coronavirus, guys. The ones that didn't get used. It's fucking prostate exam time, bro. You gotten yours yet?
No, I don't want to talk about that.
Oh yeah.
My appendicitis, fool. Chill.
Ooh. You know what? I don't want to laugh. I don't want to make fun of you, man, because it could happen to me too. I know we ain't Tokyo, and we live in San Antonio. You guys see those BMWs? Man, this is the M right here, baby. This is the M.
Show them the badge. Show them the badge.
Oh, that's fake, brother.
Okay, let's go back.
This right here, guys, is actually a 335i. I just put the plenum on. You know, that way when they say pop the hood, it's an M, bro. It's really the M54 motor with the V8 S65 plenum. That's how you do it. Fake it till you make it, baby. Alright guys, this is the new O-ring, lubricated with the finest oat oil. Shit. Give me this. Ay! Mamma mia. To get this back on, Steven taught me, just push that back oil. Don't be afraid. That's it, boys. Oil filter's back on. We get the funnel, dump all that oil in there, and then all the used oil we leave at Steven's.
Oh yeah, you wish.
All right, guys. This is what we're gonna do. We've got 9 liters right here, I think. Yes, 9 liters. The car actually takes 9, or I think it's 8.5. But what I just read online, because I'm not an expert and I looked it up, dude put 8.5 in first, started it up, get a level sensor reading, and then he added the other. So eventually we'll be using all of these, but 8.5 first, and then the rest in after. A total of 9 liters.
Alright guys, all the oil is back in the car. We're gonna get ready and put her back on the ground, clean everything up, and then I'm gonna go and get you guys an oil reading. 2 hours later, when you can finally get a reading in these things, it is, let me hop in, let me show you guys. 2 hours later, I went in and there it is, boys, right at max at 8.5. We are good to go with that. I'm not gonna add the extra oil. I'm gonna keep it on standby because oil does drain out of this thing. Oh my goodness gracious. So another thing that you guys can probably leave in the comments and help me out with, please, is how do I reset the oil, or how does that work with BMWs? Like I go here to vehicle status and I go down to service required. It says engine oil okay. The next time it's due is in August 2021. Holy shit, 9,000 miles. What? Okay, I need to go home and educate myself, because obviously oil changes are probably every 10,000 or something, but I do it every 3, maybe 5. Steven, thank you, buddy, for helping me out, bro. You are the man. We're out here at Garcia Garage. Evo, boys. Oh, check out this Evo though, guys. I always wanted one of these, but they were so expensive. And believe it or not, I actually got this car for way cheaper than what this car would be. Baller.
Yeah, I got these gauge pods too.
You're a baller. Oh, the gauge podges?
Pods, man.
The Tide Pods?
I got these because I never seen anybody with them yet, so I...
Oh. He's got the AEM pods right there, boys. Air fuel ratio, oil pressure, and a boost gauge. Fast boys.
That's all you need, man. That's all you need.
Fast boys.
Anything more than that, you ask for
too much. I'm gonna go ahead and get this oil disposed.
I think that will conclude today's video, guys. Thank you guys for checking it out. Please, if you have not already, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. As well, leave a comment. What's the next mod for the M3? Let me know.